Hey, what's up, guys? So today I just got a new multi-tool. It is the Dakoyu North America. It's the multi-tool that is a copy of the Leatherman Signal. And so I just got it in the mail. I ordered it off Amazon when it was available about 2 weeks ago. And so super excited. I will show it to you guys, open it up, show it to you guys, and compare it with my Leatherman Signal. So here we go. Hopefully the quality is good. Comes with a nice card, 5-year limited warranty. Awesome. Don't steal my serial number there. This is it. The comes with the serial number. Made in China. Again, this is the clone of the Leatherman Signal. I don't really like how the tape left residue there, but I guess I can wipe it and wash it off. Here it is. I got this kind of tan, dark brown color. I think it looks really nice. Matches my pickup. So, alright. Opens up pretty nicely. Looks like that. Just for comparison, this is the Leatherman Signal. Almost the same size. It looks like the Dakoyu is actually slightly longer. A little longer. I don't have a scale, but it feels like it weighs about the same. I'll have to check the specs on that, but check that out. Very nice, very close in terms of the length, the width. Pretty darn near identical. Let's go ahead and open this up. Feels pretty smooth too. This is a little more stiff when I open it. A little more loose. I kind of actually like that better. And then we have all the implements here. All right, so that is it. Maybe I'll make another video with the implements open, and we can get a good comparison of that after I get a chance to check it out.